Hello everyone, welcome back guys. So dear students, this is the fourth video of this series, that is tricks for faster calculation in CUET 2022, right? So in this video, we'll learn how to multiply two-digit numbers or three-digit numbers, right? So this will help you a lot in your calculation. So without wasting any time, let's start guys, right? How to multiply two-digit numbers. देखो, let's say you have three examples. First one, you find the product of 93 and 94. B1, find the product of 108 and 107. And third example is you find the product of 111 and 100. So consider this first one. Example, that is find the product of 93 and 94. So guys, you can find the product by two methods, right? So the first method that I already told you in the first video, क्या करते हैं first method के according कि first multiply the unit digit of both numbers, like 3 into 4 is 12, 1 is carry over. Now cross में multiply करके take the sum, right? Like 9 4 36 and 9 into 3 is 27. 36 plus 27, 9 into 4 is 36, 9 into 3 is 27. तो cross product करके sum ले लीजिए. What you will get? 30 plus 20 is 50. 7 plus 6 is 13. Right, 50 plus 13 is 63 and carry over 1 is 64. Come 4 use करेंगे and 6 is carry over. Now multiply the 10th place digits of both numbers, right? 9 into 9 is 81, 6 is carry over, means 87. So the product of 93 into 94 is 8740. So guys, we have already discussed many examples based on this method, right? So second method क्या रहेगा to solve such problems? लेकिन हम यूज ये तब करेंगे सेकंड मेथड जब दोनों ही नंबर्स 100 के आसपास होंगे, राइट? व्हेन यू यूज, अगर दोनों नंबर्स 100 से छोटे हैं, तो दोनों ही नंबर्स 100 से बड़े हैं, तब विल यूज दिस मेथड, द सेकंड वन, लाइक 93 94. और ये स्क्वायरिंग वाले के सेम है, जैसे कि स्क्वायर करते थे हम किसी भी नंबर का दैट इज नियरेस्ट टू 100. तो फर्स्ट विल सी कि 93 इज बोथ नंबर्स आर लेस देन 100. विल सी कि 93 इज हाउ मच लेस देन 100. 93 is how much less than 100? 7. Means just write down minus 7. And see, 94 is how much less than 100? Minus 6. Minus 6. So the last two digits of the product of 93 into 94 should be same as product of minus 7 into minus 6. Which minus 7 into minus 6 is plus 42. Plus 42. So the last two digits of the product of 93 and 94 is 42. To get the remaining digits, either add these two or these two. You will get the same number. या तो 93 minus 6 का सम कर लो, या फिर 94 and minus 7 का सम कर लो, you will get the same number, right? Like 93 minus 6 is 87. अगर आप 94 minus 7 भी करोगे तो again you will get 87. So the product of 93 into 94 is 8742. Both are same things. 8742, right? Take B example. 100. We'll use second method, right? To find the product of the numbers with base 100, you can say numbers nearest to 100, right? For example, 108 and 107. You have to find the product of 108 and 107. No need to apply the traditional method. Right? What we'll do, both numbers are more than 100 here. Both numbers are more than 100 here. Last वाले में both numbers was less than 100, right? तो अब इसमें more than 100 देखेंगे तो 100 is how much more than 100? 108 is how much more than 100? 8. Similarly, 107 is how much more than 100? 7. वहां less than 100 देखना. तो 100 is more than 100 ना, तो plus 8. 107 is more than 100 ना, that means plus 7. So plus 8 into plus 8 and plus 7. So guys, the last two digits of 108 into 107 should be same as the last two digits of the product of 8 and 7. So 8 into 7 is what? Plus 8 into plus 7 is 56. दो ही digits आ रही हैं, तो just write down as it is 56. अगर हमें क्या लेना है, इससे last two digits मिलेंगे. क्या मिलेंगे? Last two digits, right? So 8 into 7 is 56. To get the remaining digits, either add these two or these two. You will get the same number. Though 108 plus 7 is 108, 150, and 107 plus 8 is also 150. कुछ भी ले लो. 11556. The product of 108 into 100 and 107 is what? 11556. Got it, guys? so easy. Let's say मैं D example ले लेता हूँ. C will discuss it later. 111 into 112. So guys, if the number is like, let's say 102 into 103, what will do? So this is 102 is 2 more than 100. 103 is 3 more than 100. Now 2 into 3 is 6. 6 only. But you have to write last two digits. इसलिए मेरा example here. 2 into 3 is 6. So you have to write last two digits. The last two digits of 102 into 103 is 06. Now up to semi, either add these two. 102 plus 3 is 105. Or 103 plus 2 is again 105. So product of 102 into 103 is 10506. Got it? And the last example, that is 111 into 112. So 111 is 11 more than 100. This is 12 more than 100. So first you have to write the last two digits of the product. So first do, what is 11 into 12? 12 into 11 is what? 132. 132. But you have to write last two digits. So 32 will consider. 32 should be the last two digits of the product of 111 and 112. And one is carryover. One is carryover, guys. One is carryover. So add these two or these two. Both you will get the same numbers basically. 111 plus 12 is what? 111 plus 12 is what? 123. 123 or 112 plus 11 is what? 120. One is carryover. So 123 plus 1 is 124. So the product of 111 and 112 is 1243. Got it, guys? 12432. So you can easily multiply the two digit. You can easily multiply the two numbers nearest to 100, right? Easily. इसी के माइंड में आ रहा होगा, अगर सर एक नंबर लेस देन 100 है, like 92, और एक नंबर more than 100 है, what we'll do? So guys, I will discuss such examples in the next session, right? In the next video. So that's all for this video, guys. So these are for एग्जाम्पल्स जो आपके लिए होमवर्क है. आप खुद से ट्राई करिएगा और चेक करिएगा, क्रॉस चेक करिएगा, बाय कैलकुलेटर से क्रॉस चेक करिएगा, राइट? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन, गाइस. आई होप आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया हो. तो बाय बाय एवरीवन, टेक केयर गाइस, कीप वॉचिंग. सो विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Please like this session and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe our channel to get regular updates, right? Bye bye, take care, thank you.